Are you still buying luxurious bread? Are you still telling them, abeg o, buy me luxurious bread? If yeast is not that cost in your area, so sweetie, let's get this done. To begin, you are going to be needing milk. Over here, we have already warm milk. Next to adding is water. I'm going to be leaving the measurement of the recipe in the screen. After adding the water, next for us to do is to add in egg. Over here, we have the egg. I just add that in. Next to adding is yeast. So first I'm going to whisk this together, just stir until it gets combined. So sweetie, you need to share and follow this process to make this delicious bread for yourself. After getting that whisk, you are going to be getting this foam on top of your mixture like this. So once you achieve it, all you do is to keep it aside. It's ready at this point. Next for us to do is to add an all-purpose flour on this bowl. So don't forget to stream your flour. Next is to add in salt and then sugar. So this ingredient is okay at this point. Now you are going to mix that together. So mix until everything gets combined like this. So next is to add in the mixture and pour everything in like this. Just pour everything in and then keep to mix until everything comes out together. So I keep on mixing that until it just be getting itself together like this. So now I'm going to be adding its butter. Just a melted butter is good to go like this. So just adding the butter and keep on mixing. So now I'm going to transfer that back to the wall surface and then adding a little bit of flour. We are going to mix this until we have a strong dough. It's not going to be that strong, it's not going to be that soft. Just keep on mixing for everything to come together like this. So that is going to take us about 5 to 6 minutes to work on this dough. We keep on mixing it. You can see that is coming together at this point. You see how fluffy that looks. So you have to achieve it so fluffy. It's not going to be soft, it's not going to be strong. Just like this is good to go. At this point, I don't mix everything and then it was so nice. And then just press the dough. It's going to bounce back instantly. Then next is to grease your bowl with butter. So just try to grease your bowl with butter like this and then add in the dough. So just like this, we are going to cover that to rest about 30 minutes for that to get double like this. 30 minutes later, see what we have. We done the pour. See now, because of good mix, we are going to achieve this. So it's going to rise so perfect like this. So once I get that achieved, I just transfer that back to the wall surface again, give that a very good mix, like 1 minute mix again, and then turn it back like this. So now I'm going to divide that into 3 equal size here. So I'm going to divide that into 3. So what I do now is to tie that into little ball sign like this. So once I get everything cover like this, so I take one of it and then take my roller to just wide it a little bit like this. So I just roll it a little bit. It's going to come out like this, then turn it back and then fold it like this. So folding it, you just try to tight it very tight like this. So use your hand to tight the both side so that it's not going to open. So just tight it like this is good to go, and then roll it again. So nice. So once you roll it, you are going to make everything come out like this and then transfer that back to the baking pan. Before you add this in your baking pan, first of all, grease your baking pan with butter. So at this point, I'm done with 3 of it. I just add everything inside the baking pan like this. So now I'm going to cover that again to get doubled before we proceed. So I just cover that to get double about 20 minutes, and here I have it. So once you achieve that, just cover it and then transfer it to the oven to bake, and here we have our bread. So one thing I love about this bread, I love the fact that the bread was so dry. Like, I love when bread is so dry and then it cooks so amazing. Did you know one thing about this bread? You can let this to last as long as you want, and then it's going to come out anytime you want to use it. Perfect and delicious. The bread sweet so nice, and then it was so dry. Say my daughter don't dey one side dey drag am. So those children, they not they joke with anything, like anything baking. My children not they joke with it. They like anything snacks a lot. See now, it was so gorgeous. Like, it cooked so nice. Everything was just so perfect. See how beautiful this look. So sweetie, all you need to do is to share. Not every time you tell them, make them buy you luxurious bread. I don't know if you guys call this luxurious bread. So that is what we call it back then in Nigeria. So if you want to eat this kind of long bread, we dey call am luxurious bread. So that is one of our agege bread. So you can easily get this done by yourself. You don't need much to make this, and once e cook like this and dry like this, it's going to last as long as you want. So why I get this done like this is because I have a whole lot of recipe to share with you guys using bread. I say it's going to be nice for me to first of all get my bread done like this, for me to be getting this recipe out from it. So sweetie, all you need to do is to share. See how gorgeous that look in my next one. Bye.